Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. After explaining the meaning of this proverb, it teaches how to apply it to life, overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Welcome to this video tutorial, where today we'll be discussing the old proverb, barking dogs seldom bite. We'll explore the meaning behind this saying, and how understanding it can help you overcome difficulties, attract luck, and ultimately achieve success in your life. So, let's dive right into it. Barking dogs seldom bite is a proverb that teaches us not to be afraid of those who make a lot of noise or threats, but rather to focus on those who are quiet and more likely to take action. In other words, don't be scared of the noise, watch out for the silence. This concept can be applied to various aspects of our lives, from personal relationships to professional situations, and understanding it is key to navigating challenges effectively. Now, let's talk about how applying this proverb to your life can help you overcome difficulties. When faced with a challenge or a difficult situation, it's important to remember not to be intimidated by the loudest voices or the most aggressive posturing. In many cases, the people making the most noise are the ones who are the least likely to follow through on their threats or promises. Instead, focus on the quiet achievers and those who are calmly working behind the scenes. These are the people who are more likely to help you find solutions to your problems and overcome obstacles. Attracting luck is something we all aspire to do, and understanding the barking dogs seldom bite proverb can help you do just that. When you're not intimidated by loud voices or distractions, you're able to focus on what truly matters and make better decisions. This ability to stay centered and composed will naturally draw luck and opportunities your way. Remember, luck isn't always about chance, it's also about being prepared for opportunities when they present themselves, and being able to capitalize on them. In order to achieve success, it's crucial to surround yourself with the right people and maintain the right mindset. People who are constantly barking, that is, making noise and creating drama, can drain your energy and hinder your progress. By recognizing the value in those who work quietly and diligently, you'll be able to build a solid support system that will help propel you towards your goals. Furthermore, adopting the mindset that barking dogs seldom bite can help you develop resilience and a strong sense of self-confidence. When you understand that loud threats and blustering often amount to nothing, you'll be less likely to be swayed by them. Instead, you'll be able to maintain your focus on your own goals and aspirations, allowing you to stay on a steady path towards success. So how can you apply this proverb to your daily life? Begin by taking a closer look at the people around you, both in your personal and professional life. Identify those who are constantly barking, making noise, causing drama, or threatening without ever taking action, and recognize that these individuals may not be worth your time or energy. Instead, seek out those individuals who quietly work towards their goals, and who are more likely to help you find solutions to problems and support you on your journey. Additionally, work on developing your own quiet confidence. Remember that making noise and boasting about your achievements isn't always the most effective way to garner respect and success. Often, it's those who let their actions speak for themselves that achieve the most in the long run. In conclusion, understanding and applying the barking dogs seldom bite proverb to your life can help you overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. By focusing on the quiet achievers and maintaining a strong sense of self-confidence, you'll be able to navigate the challenges life throws your way and come out on top. So next time you hear a barking dog, remember that it's often the quiet ones who truly have the bite. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.